His feet are perfectly adapted to the terrain, with special fats to keep them from freezing and strong claws to grip the ice. Dad keeps a close eye, but these first solo explorations are so important for this chick's eventual independence. Being able to make new friends will be crucial to a successful life in the colony, but it can be dangerous to stray too far from Dad. So strong is the parental urge to raise a chick that these adults who have lost their chicks in the bitter storms tried to kidnap others. Desperation can turn to violence. This chick has had a lucky escape.